Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. In this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about this book right here, the New Spruce Forge Manual of Locksmithing, and just doing a little bit of sharing my thoughts on it. So real quick, this was sent over to me by Artisan Ideas to take and check out. They sent me a second one that I gave away at one of my most recent live streams on Friday night. If you haven't checked out my giveaway lives, we give away a ton of great blacksmithing tooling and books and all sorts of things like that companies send us. So completely free of charge, but you do have to be there during the live and in engaging with the comment section. So be sure to check that out. I'll put a link to the next giveaway live that we'll have down in the description down below, and you can go check that out. What do I think? Well, first off, this is what I want to take and say about it, just from the brief thumbing through of all of the pages that I've went through, is this is a majorly well done book. So big shout out to Dennis Frichetti. I think that's how you pronounce his last name. I'm probably wrong. And Bill Morrison. I actually know both these gentlemen. One from YouTube at DF in the Shop. If you don't know his channel, you should check him out. He is a co-author on this, author/co-author with Bill Morrison. You should definitely check out DF in the Shop if you haven't. Got some wonderful content right here on YouTube. So be sure to check his channel out somewhere around here. Put the cards up and somewhere down in the description down below. I think if you could read a print, you can probably follow this book. It's really well detailed and everything like that. I would like to personally actually make some locks from the book. I think it would be a lot of fun and maybe make some great content. If you're interested in seeing some lock making videos by me from this book, be sure to comment that down in the comment section down below, and I will try to take in, see what I can work out. And who knows, maybe Artisan Ideas would like to sponsor that kind of video content for me to make some of these locks. That would be really cool. As you can see, it's a really well illustrated book. Not much else to say about it other than that to take and gush. One thing I will say is I could not possibly make a book this good, because it takes an intense amount of time, brain power, figuring out, taking pictures of very specific processes. I'm good at the whole YouTube thing and off the cusp, like grabbing a camera and like just speaking at it and doing like one take, doing one take wonders, but trying to, storyboard something out like that, that's something I've never been personally good at. I need to get better at as my teaching goes along. But yeah, if you have any interest in locksmithing at all, I can say that this book would be a good one to pick up. While I've also got you here, Artisan Ideas, they have all sorts of books. They have a plethora of books that you can pick up on the subject of blacksmithing and metalworking, all sorts of things. So I will leave a link to them in the description as well. Now, I am not being sponsored to say any of this, but they did send me the books for free. Just so you can, FYI, that's the business relationship here. I receive no money if you click through those links whatsoever, but you can do so and go check out their stuff. All that being said, some other books, if you're over there checking out some things, and by the way, if you do, let them know Roy sent you. If you go check out some other books, I would say another good one to look at is Mark Asbury's Mastering the Fundamentals series that he has. I don't know if they have these books in stock over there, so you'll just have to check on availability. You may be asking yourself, why would anybody really need to read a book in today's age, digital age, where we have so much content here on YouTube? I know on my personal channel here on YouTube, I have well over 1,800 videos of instructional content for the subject of blacksmithing. Well, books are a little bit different. They engage your brain in a little different way than what video does. Video, we can get distracted on YouTube. YouTube wants you to watch ads. They want you to click on this or click on that. Chances are, if you're watching this to the 6-minute mark, you might have already clicked off this video because you minimized me down into the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, of your cell phone, and you're busy scrolling something else, some Dr. Seuss or some illicit things you shouldn't be watching, right? And and that's just the way the YouTube game works. Books offer a little different window into a world of blacksmithing where it is not like that. You actually have got to sit and focus and study what is there in the materials at hand. It's not going to pop open an ad for you. It's not going to distract you in some way. You can get away in a quiet space and really clear your mind and just focus on the words and the information that's presented. So books still have a lot of value in today's world and are, really worth you taking the time to pick up and start your own little blacksmithing library collection. I think I've got somewhere in the neighborhood of about 20-25 blacksmithing books on my shelf, on my own personal library, and they each have something to share, and they each have their own special tips and techniques and tricks that I've picked up along the many years that I've been doing this. So I recommend you to do the same. So that's it for today. I just wanted to share that with you real quick. If you're interested in me doing some sort of forging series on locks, maybe undertaking some of these locks, again from this book, The New Spruce Forge, Manual of Locksmithing there from Artisan Ideas. If you want to see me make some of those projects, comment in the comment section, let them know, let Artisan Ideas know that you want to see that happen, and we'll see what we can't do. So that's it. God bless each and every last one of you. Thank you to all the channel members that make this content possible. Couldn't do it without you, and we will catch you on the next one.